Hello people, welcome back to OfficeCraft Pro. We have all been there. You spend hours on an Excel sheet, you email it to your team and suddenly there are 5 different versions floating around. Or worse, your computer crashes and you lose everything. What if I told you that you never have to hit save ever again? Today, I am showing you why even the most hardcore Excel fans are moving to the cloud. We are going to cover the big 3 features that make Sheets a superpower for collaboration. Let's get started. Let's add checkbox to our column A. Highlight the cells under the status header where it says false. Then go to Insert and select Checkbox. This is a unique Google Sheets feature that Excel users love. Once this is done, we'll do conditional formatting. Highlight the task description column. Then go to Format and choose Conditional Formatting. Now we will set the rule. Select Custom Formula is from the drop-down. Then we will type in the formula, that is equal followed by $A2, again equal and true. Set the formatting style to strike through and light gray text. When you click the checkbox, the task looks completed instantly. Now let's add drop-down menus to column D. Highlight the priority column. Then go to Insert, choose drop-down. Now let's add options to it. And for each option, we'll add color. For high, we'll choose red. For medium, yellow. And for low, green. It makes the sheet look like a professional app. This is the feature that changes everything. You can have 10 people working in the same sheet at that exact same time. No file is locked for editing messages. If you want to talk to your team while working, you don't need to switch to WhatsApp. Just click on a cell, right-click and add a comment. You can even tag someone using the @ symbol. They'll get an email, click the link and jump right to the cell you're talking about. It's a total game changer for project management. Okay, let's talk about my favorite feature. Ever had a colleague accidentally delete a complex formula and ruin the whole sheet? In Excel, you'd be sweating. In Google Sheets, you just go to File, Version History. It's literally a time machine. You can see exactly what the sheet looked like at 2 p.m. yesterday and restore it with one click. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Over the next few videos, we are going to dive into the advanced formulas and automation that make Google Sheets a beast. If you are ready to move from Excel beginner to Cloud Pro, hit that subscribe button and join the OfficeCraft Pro. I have put a link to today's task tracker template in the description for you to copy and use. In the next video, we are tackling the formulas that make your data work for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. This is OfficeCraft Pro and I'll see you in the next lesson.